Introducing the new AquaSpray Venom water-fed poles. Engineered for professionals who value efficiency and safe, ground-level operation. Whether you're cleaning residential windows or roof-mounted solar panels, the AquaSpray Venom delivers unmatched rigidity and control. Every cleaning situation comes with its own challenges. Some need precise handling, others demand extended reach and rigid control. Choose from 3 types of carbon fiber to match your needs and preferences. Hybrid carbon, a 50% carbon and 50% fiberglass for affordable valued pack solutions. 100% carbon, constructed with high-quality 24 tensile carbon fiber, offering a lightweight feel with excellent rigidity and longevity for professional use. High Modulus carbon, our top-of-the-line premium 30 tensile grade high mod carbon, for maximum stiffness, reduced flex, and confident control at full extension. Ideal for high-reach commercial work up to 50 feet. Insufficient reach can compromise cleaning coverage and efficiency. AquaSpray Venom offers a range of pole lengths designed to deliver professional high-reach performance. The hybrid and the 100% carbon are available in 20 feet, 30 feet, and 40 feet, while the premium high modulus carbon are available in 30 feet, 40 feet, and 50 feet. The new anti-spin angle adapter technology, combined with a quick-release locking system, you get faster setup and maximum stability at any angle. The included standard brush comes equipped with 4 individual aluminum pencil jets, delivering concentrated streams of water that effectively loosen and rinse away dirt and debris, while secure lock clamps keep each section locked in tight. No slipping, no flexing. With AquaSpray Venom, you'll be able to work faster and more efficiently from the safety of the ground, using a premium, long-lasting tool engineered to enhance your workflow and results. Pre-order your AquaSpray Venom today at Equipmaxx.com.